Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and leave us a like. Hey, I'm really excited about this project. Now, this is the first time I'm going to be using the new rotisserie frame jig. Now, a customer had already started this hardtail conversion, and he did all the measurements, cuts, tacked this thing into place. We're going to go back, clean some stuff up, and get it welded out for him. Measuring out to cut some spacers to center the rear axle. And there it is. Okay, now we've got it all fixtured up. Take a look at what he's done here. Okay, yeah, we're going to clean all of these welds up, tack it ourselves, and then come back, grind all of this stuff out, make it nice and pretty, get some really nice good solid TIG welds. You can see we're going to plug weld through that hole also. Now, the diameter of the top tube was a little bit bigger than what was supplied in this. I think it's a Voodoo chopper tail section kit. So we're going to make a relief cut or pie cut and squeeze this thing down on the slug. Get it all cleaned up, wire wheel it, and get our first tack in place. And what we're doing here is cleaning off all of the old tack. Yeah, we definitely do not want to go over that with the TIG welding process, or yeah, it's just gonna be a lot of porosity and be really not pleasant looking weld. Wire wheel. And we're also cleaning up with some acetone. Or that's the saying, hey, if you think it's clean, clean it 2 more times. And there's the joint. All right, let's get this thing welded out. And now this is where the rotisserie jig really shines. Man, we can move that thing in any direction. Get access, full access to where we need to weld. Okay, and I've already welded the front and the rear of the tubes together on the slug. And we're just going to take another step and clean this thing up a little bit more. Now, I've cut 2 pieces of tubing in half. And we're just going to make a little collar for this thing. And the customer specified just to leave it as is, but we're going to go ahead and make this little collar. Yeah, I don't want to let it go out of the shop. We want to do a really nice job for him. He's a really good guy. We're going to take care of him. Now, we're not dressing down any of the welds or anything like that. I don't know what his final intention is with the frame, but this is what we're doing. Much better than just the slug. Okay, let's get the rest of this frame ready to go, weld it out. Get it welded in one position, and then we'll turn that thing over. And I'm guessing this was maybe done with a flux core welder, and you really want to grind stuff like this out because you do not want to weld over it. It can cause you a lot of problems. Yeah, I don't think I can live without this rotisserie jig now. Makes life so much easier. There it is, welded out. Disassemble. Give the customer a call. And I'd like to thank all of our supporters who follow the channel, all our subscribers. Check out our other videos on the video page. And hey, as always, thanks for watching.